Morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Well, I got to get done today as I went through on this, kind of roughed in all this whole top slope going down to the sidewalk. I come down here. I want to pull some of this hump back. I don't know if you can see how well you can see that over there. That's lower over there. So I'm going to pull this hump all right here, and I'll pull it that way, and this is all going to look uniform. I roughed it in for water drainage until we can get to this point. They pour the sidewalks. I know where grade is. We can get this done. Oh, this is going to be a muddy one. Not that mud, not that mud. Stick that in here. Good, done. Get going back there. Alright, so I tried to blade it all down like I did the first time, but it's just making more of a mess. It's super sloppy out here. It's making more of a mess than it is helping. So I'm just gonna go through it. It might take a little longer, but I cut it down with a bucket. How much I gotta cut off as we go. Then I toss it behind me and see, yucky, cooperate, just keep on rolling. Cut my way back that way, and then I'll file my way back out that way, since that's my only point of entry and exit. Got everything cut, got dirt placed where I wanted it. I'm not gonna touch over there because they got their forms there, so what I'll probably do is after they pour, just come and scrape a little slope to it. That'll be what it is. And it's raining again. It hasn't quit in 2 days, basically. I mean, it quit like for 5 minutes yesterday, and then it started again. nice and deep like. Frank's out working with us today. Ezekiel, Fernando, they got rained out of their job down in another city. I don't know, Eugene or something. But they're out there coming to help us today. So we got this all done, graded to the best of my ability with how sloppy it is. If they want it better, they can, they gotta wait till at least dries up a little, because that was some wet, sloppy stuff. So we got all this transitioned right. Took out that hump up there, drug it all that way. So took this, chopped off of this a little bit. Top of that, so it was a good little hump here, but all that's now gone. All the way down there, I'm not gonna walk all the way down there, it's pretty far. I'm getting some rock. So now, get to figure out, because we're supposed to do some covert, fix these coverts over here, have to extend them and put some 3-inch in there, get it all nice and pretty, but I don't know when that's gonna happen because we don't have the parts for it. So, let's keep doing what we're doing, and I'll see what's going on. We're inside the project, is what I call it. Prepping the road. So you'll notice, all over the place I got some numbers. +2, -3, -3. So that's got to come down 3 inches. Well, it's too deep right there. See? Sometimes it just doesn't help. It doesn't work. Don't want to. Doesn't help this bucket. Has a little bit of bowl on the blade, so at the end. So it's a little rough for grading things. I'll make a pile. Shauna is gonna come pick it up. Try to see it as I go, because the numbers are going to obviously be worn off. So I don't know what that one was. I think that was -2. Hard cutting that.
There's a lot more pluses on this side, so I think whatever pile you do make over there, you'll be able to grade it out.
Okay.
And then we'll check you again once you work this.
Okay.
Sweet.
You heard the man. You heard the man. we're at the end of the day. We ran out of rock, but this parking lot is looking amazing. Everybody's done. Ezekiel's saying it's time. She's bringing the last little bit of rock we got. Well, yeah, that looks amazing. Everything cut out. Our valley. Our catch basin there. Catch basin there. You can see the water flowing, very nice. It's over 4 inches of asphalt all the way around. Yeah, it looks good. We rolled it. Get everything moved in here. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.